Hey guys, welcome. I am Groot. Hey guys, happy holidays. I'm Leah Brianna. Welcome to my channel. May the beauty of the holidays warm your spirit. Since the holidays are right around the corner, I wanted to share this Christmassy look with you guys. So without further ado, let's go play. As always, we start off by toning the face. For today's toner, I'm using the Badescu Aloe Vera toner. Moisturizing is key, especially during the winter season, so to moisturize my lips, I'm using the Tatcha Gold Spun Lip Balm, and then to moisturize my face, I'm using the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. For today's primer, I'm using the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I love this primer because it has such a smooth texture and it has a blurring effect as well. Just adding some brows, and as always, using my Smashbox CC cream to cover up any dark spots on my face. For today's primer, I'm using the Nars Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the color Syracuse. As always, I'm using my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in the color Painterly for my eyeshadow base. For today's eye look, I'm tapping into Morphe's Dare to Create 39A palette. To start off, I'm mixing the colors Canvas and Cinder as my transition color. Next, I'm grabbing the color Cut Crease and applying that all over my eyelid. To create a clean halo eye, I'm first taking the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpt Concealer to carve out my eyelid. To complete my halo eye, I'm tapping into color and applying it all over the middle of my eyelid. had to add some lashes, and now I'm just taking more of color to clean up my eye look. Moving on to concealer, today I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape in the color medium and applying it to my under eyes, nose, forehead, and chin. For today's baking powder, I'm using Patrick Starr's Set Powder from the MAC collection. While we bake at about 400 degrees, I decided to bronze my face using Laguna from Nars. It looks like our cake is done baking, so now I'm just dusting away the excess powder. Now that that's done, we're gonna add some color back into our face. I love mixing my blushes, so first I'm taking MAC's blush in the color Margin and applying that all over my cheekbones, and then I'm taking Nars Orgasm blush and applying that all over the apples of my cheek and nose. To finish up my eye look, I'm just tapping back into Canvas and Sunder and using that to smoke out my under eye. Moving on to my favorite part, which is highlight, because your girl loves being as bright as a Christmas tree. Today I'm using MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Gold Deposit, first applying it in my tear ducts, then my brow bone, and then all over my cheekbones. I like to add setting mist before applying highlight because I feel like it tacks on the powder way better. To set my face, I'm first taking a fluffy brush and applying Urban Decay's All Nighter setting powder all over my face, and then taking a smaller fluffy brush to apply the setting powder underneath my eyes. As always, I'm taking my ABH Brow Definer and Clear Brow Gel to clean up my eyebrows and darken them up due to fallout from eyeshadow and setting powder. finish my look, I'm just adding a lippy and mascara to my bottom lashes. If you want to know what lip combo I use for this look or any other products, I always list everything in the description box below. So this is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click for post notifications. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Bye. Stay good boy. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas spirit ring. People can think I'm annoying. I don't care.